Let's go, sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just like. Hello, hello, hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to.
There's some.
Stop! And welcome back to Sibling Rivalry, guys. No put up pesayo with me, Talita Ndima.
Zogo Sisalo Sondima is the name.
Okay.
Janning is the game.
Janning is the game now, hey? No more running, just Janning. Okay. Love to hear it.
Absolutely. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
Desire. I'm my friend.
Okay.
For some strange reason. I'm
Like
not complaining though.
Better than hasty.
Maybe hasty.
Twisty, Nolan. Roposil. Ropozo dress.
I did this to myself.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Do you just tie it back or can you play it?
I just put gel on it and just retwisted them back.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
Takes like 10 minutes. Nothing
Nice
crazy.
one. Looks a
yeah.
lot neater. I'm proud.
But this is the thing. Oh,
Making as a dresses.
this is the thing, right? Because your hair doesn't grow in a neat way.
Yeah.
Now we're always like manipulating our hair, which is
Mhm.
not good for our hair.
Whoa.
It's not.
Whoa.
It
Oh.
isn't. Ukubabona abantu who always have his styles and then in gyps, ikala kule ndawo.
Talita on another paid partnership with natural hair.
It's not.
Last
And your
time
hair
we garlic, now it's
breaks.
natural hair.
No. So mna ndigqibele nini uyokwenza iinwele zam? I think it's been a month.
Okay.
Because it's just that's not that neat look is not the way locks are supposed to look. Cha ke uthiwa sigxoko.
Funny.
Wow.
Amanda Mazane dreadlocks.
Atheni
Amarasta.
atheni wakho alibona irasta wena ubona iscalp
And
sayo.
the lines.
Exactly. 100%.
You're
So
right, you're
no
right.
less yenzayo.
Wasoloko kuqhuma growth. Apha amarasta. Like unayo ichome lirasta.
Andinayo mntana.
Ne?
But I said rasta.
Ah, sorry guys. Yeah, I thought it sounds like I'm like, amarasta.
I don't know. I think they've dwindled in number or they've just like gone into hiding. I don't know.
That's very interesting.
What going ulibona wena rasta?
Lino toy one
Zangu
gun.
bene lichomeli.
Babe sithi banga amarasta. But I didn't believe that. I was just like,
Why?
nifuna I holy help. Kani na.
But you can take the holy hair without
Yeah,
being a
but
rasta.
that's iskana binyama for nabantu doing all of these things. But that begs a different question.
Yeah.
Uba, nyani, what makes us what we say we are? The fact that I say ba tili rasta, or do I have to meet certain conditions in order for bandi kwazi ukuthi nili rasta?
You can't
Just
just
like
say
I'm Christian or just like I'm whatever. Do you know what I mean? Uba, it's like you can't say I'm Dizaleli Bafana if like I'll come Nepola. You know what I mean?
this is the thing. You can't just say you're something without practicing the thing.
Okay, so you need to practice the
Yes.
thing. Fair.
So you can't just say ba uli rasta. Nxa bane dreads, I know vese ndi rasta.
Yes.
Alilo.
Fair. Okay. Tina, we've just taken it upon ourselves, but we can just do whatever. Say, because it sounds noble to say, Andy Rasta. Also, why is it Rasta?
But also, doing the thing is so much harder than saying the thing.
Absolutely.
100%. And I feel like
Absolutely.
in its purest form, at least, Ubu Rasta is much harder than
Everything.
everything.
Dangam, young into that we can call ourselves. In reality, it's much harder than. And what is harder than? It's harder than saying the words. That's what it's actually harder than.
Yeah, 100%. Because saying the words is the easiest thing to do.
Saying the words is the easiest thing to do, but having to do anything which is outside of shy or Randy's shy or whatever the case may be, that's where the real challenge comes.
Exactly. And there might be elements of that thing that you find that you like or you find are helpful or whatever. So mhlambi when uzithandela iholi hair boo, You don't mind unxiba ilokho
Hayi
ezinde.
masingathi i-holy hemp, masithi i-hemp.
Batsho, that's what they say though.
Asingawo wanglilo.
You started
Dim wrong. Dim wrong. I-hemp.
and uzithandela iherb and I'll mind you fake iqhiyokokoko. I'll mind
Oh. Yeah.
I'll mind ubunduzele ezilokhweni because the Rasta girls must
Yeah.
have these and I'll mind uba vegetarian mhlawumbi. You know what I mean? But mhlawumbi khona into that is also a principle there that you're
Yes.
just like, oh, I can't
Ah,
work around
ngizokwazi.
this. Yeah, exactly.
miss me.
Does that make you a Rasta?
No.
Yes, because khona ezinye izinto ofuneka zipractice besides
Correct, that you
izinto
don't.
that you don't. Exactly.
This is
But now
taking a turn.
it is taking a turn.
It's
Because
taking a
now
turn.
we can say the same about Christianity.
Yay! That's why I'm in the city. It's taking a turn.
We can literally say exactly the same about Christianity because being a Christian is also one of the hardest things you can do.
Yeah?
So, if mhlambi you practice all the things that are practiced in order for you to be deemed as being a Christian, but zikhona ongazenziyo, does that not make you a Christian anymore? Uyakrekleza,
No, what is a
uya-
Christian? A Christian is a sinner
Oh,
that has been saved by grace.
Oh,
That is a Christian.
okay.
It's someone who is trying to be Christ-like. Christian leyo.
Okay, so then,
Wow, yeah.
so then,
Ngizawuthisa ke ngokweli kitchen isifaya kulo.
so then uyaxoleleka. Then if you fall by the wayside because all you're doing is trying to be,
Yeah.
and you'll never actually reach being Christ-like.
You be perfect. You'll never be perfect.
Yeah, you exactly. So if ke uli rasta likinyama, it's fine. Also, useli rasta doesn't make you less of a rasta because now you're trying to
kaloku.
be.
Trying to be is a Christian term. Yoburasta mhlambi complete asiyazi. Mhlambi complete yoburasta. But you know what ubeli rasta? It's just that I don't know much about uburasta. But it's like in order for ubeli rasta funeka wenze izinto. That's how I see it and I understand it.
But it.
Apha mna Christianity i-process.
Oh,
Is what I'm saying.
Wow. I mean, I would only imagine that Ubu Rasta also is a process because there's no way you can be a perfect Rasta. That's crazy. Because you're a human being.
But it depends on what the qualifying criteria is. If the qualifying criteria is into C4, maybe you can be. But yeah, I suppose lack of knowledge, that is making me. I know a little bit more. I know more about Christianity than Uburas.
Okay, fine. So let's talk about Christianity, the thing that you do know. So if
Yeah, hey, I am
so if you're constantly cheating, you're a cheater. Wazwang or cheater. Relationship on relationship, you are cheating. So does the blanket of aiming to be Christ-like cover that and still make you a Christian for the rest of your life when you are actively pursuing
So
the
if
opposite?
I'm Christian, is that what you're saying?
No, I'm not saying that.
Uthini?
I'm just saying.
Asebenzise enye example man. If ubulala abantu.
Kutheni-
Into zona ziyafana nje.
Yeah, so why are we using another one?
Okay, cheating.
Okay. But so okay, so let me make another example. Fine. If
Uyaba.
uyaba.
Wow. Yeah. Yo indlela esibangayo. Yeah, okay. Because you understand about being on TikTok uphangele uyaba.
Ubandon company time.
Well, you being paid. You must remember you being paid to use those hours for production. And when you're on TikTok, stealing. If usebenzisa landline yasemsebenzini uthi uthe ezithomini zakho ba yimani zakufonela ngale line yasemsebenzini.
Uyaba.
Lisela. Okay, sorry, yeah.
And so that doesn't make you any less of a Christian because you're doing something consciously. You might not even be thinking about it, actually. It might not even be conscious. By time, the company time.
You can only be blamed for when you know. You can't be blamed for indonga.
So just because you haven't thought about it doesn't mean you don't know.
Yeah.
So if I brought it to you, you'd be like, yeah.
What?
Does that mean you didn't know? You would agree, but okay, fine. So if I say to you, being on TikTok during company hours is stealing company time, you'd be like, we think So
Actually.
does that mean that you didn't know?
Yes.
Oh.
Uyakwazi ungayazi kaloku into. Because you've never thought about it.
But it doesn't.
Or you've never thought about it at length or in depth.
Fine, but it doesn't make you less of a Christian.
Is there more of a Christian? What makes you more of a Christian?
This is the thing.
Measurement one.
Yeah.
And I think that's where we sometimes get it wrong. In that is yes, I'm a better Christian than ban. Can't be because iskali sakho si wrong.
Yeah.
You understand? Just because wena unga cheaty, but uyapa. You understand? How do we weigh that? We can't
100%.
weigh that.
But this is the thing, we do weigh sins as bigger than others.
Yeah, but that's unchristian like kwalondo leyo. So I think Christian you won.
The Christian one, it's the pursuit of being Christ-like, right? And that's a constant journey. It's not a destination.
Yes.
And so you are not lesser than because we're now uyabulala nge weekends okanye omnye uba it company time. Niyafana.
You're still a
Christian. And I feel like
accommodative. God hello Christianity then.
That's very accommodative because, you'll always be a Christian. Noba wenze ntoni. And the only person who knows your actual intent in your head is you and that guy. So we can't judge you on it.
Absolutely. Yeah. Only judge can guide me. Zithe in your tattoos abantu. Absolutely. Yeah. Which is why kenyani utata is such a dangerous thing.
Yeah.
Because you don't know.
No. You don't know your intentions. Awuzazi mithandaza. Don't know the things that they're struggling with, they're trying to get right.
Correct.
Or if basile, or if they're even doing anything consciously. And awuzukwazi. No. But I find
sure
we Christians judge a lot.
Too much.
Whereas the one thing on our table is like, don't judge others, lest you be judged.
Yeah, now about when about you know very well about when you can only be judged by God. Or do you? Because some people don't even think that because we live in Glen Eraga, what people will say. So because Tina sifila judged by abanye abantu, makes us easier to judge other people. Also, because for Tina, we don't even believe that.
No, exactly.
We don't believe that. Yeah. Which is why we do so many things that are just like, what? Do you know what I mean?
True.
Simply because we rely so much on what people's thoughts are of us. Which is why we perform so poorly in life as well.
100% because it's abantu.
As a low standard.
Yeah, 100%. As a low. Who are also figuring it out, who are also tripping on the wayside, who are also hiding things and blah, blah, all of this stuff. But sijongane nabo and their opinions of us. Yeah. Wild. And that's correct. Important.
And then Sifunu impose opinions on them.
No.
And one of them must, for
no reason.
For no reason. And that just stops us from living better lives, happier lives, freer lives.
There's nothing freer than doing things because you want to do them.
And you feel good.
Yeah. Whether someone sees you or not, whether someone hears about it or not, that made me feel nice. That's freeing, I feel. That's freedom.
Must not only be night. Hey. As I call it into Amarasta. Yeah, dog, I've been going through it. I mean, you guys are gonna see this on the other side of Comrades, but we're shooting this video a week before Comrades, couple of days, 4 days before Comrades. So it's just been me trying to not be sick, trying to not seeing my physio, dealing with all those things, thoughts and emotions and everything around that. So it's been a lot.
Fine, let's not hop on it.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Because I feel like you've done all you can do.
Okay, sure. Thanks.
I feel like. And the eyes between you and a walk about with it.
Yes, one good. Hey, masa bekwelangeni ngoku and umphokoqo is knocking knees, my friend. It's not easy, but here we are, and here we go. So that's it.
Cool.
Yeah. You've already told me about your week, so.
What did I say?
So I took that as a sign, but you don't want to talk about it. You don't want to tell me anything.
Oh, okay.
Or do you want to go through something a bit? 5 minutes, 2 minutes, Nyana?
No.
Sure. Okay, cool. Sure. Ngabhalisa ke apha during the episode.
And if it Balisile
Bekunqanda lokho that I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. You had your chance.
Ah, so fair ke. The first fair.
Okay.
So one thing.
Wow.
You made me think. I wasn't even thinking.
Wow.
No, you made me like go through my thing.
That took you ages to come around.
No.
That's the whole of it, see?
Chilled out.
No, Mercy.
Everything is chilled.
I'm listening.
No, it's nothing. It's stupid.
It's fine. Let's go. We're only talking about smart things and being serious on this show. Like, you're just stupid.
No one believes you're serious.
Okay, cool.
People on TikTok do not believe you're serious.
Shaman, so look on Tetelelo. Oh, and Babeniaz was such a serious guy. Babeniaz. I'm on the light side of life, man.
What do you have for us? The closeness of it all.
What I've got for you is the closeness of it all. We are going to get into the closeness of it all right now.
The closeness of it all.
Dog! Compliments of the blings. So thank you guys.
Oh, did they send you some?
Yeah, I've had some closeness of it all being sent to me to ask you.
Are these made up by them?
I believe so.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm so stressed.
The one, closeness year 2000, Yama 2K.
Okay.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay.
But I'm not going to start with that one. Maskosana, thank you so very much. She sent a message. Eti, here is my go at a modern day Rai Rai. Aveza ke langa Rai. Ndineliwa lam elichitha amanzi. Echanga ndiyayithanda because look at how long it is. Poetry. Like poem.
I thought that was it.
Ne?
Okay.
Could be it though.
Okay.
Imihla nezolo ndihlala ndisima kweli liwa ngenxa yedinga endingenakho ulibaleka. Hey, Maskosana. I don't know you, but I'm proud of you. Ngamanye amaxesha iba nguqhwiqhwi. Kanti.
Sorry, you can finish it.
Kanti ngezinye imini ndiye ndithi chu ncembe.
Oh, nice.
Ndisonganyelwa ziingcinga zam. Ndikhatshwa ngamacilongo.
Amacilongo?
Music.
Oh. Okay. If we had gotten there, I would have been like, I have no idea.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah, I like that.
Well done, Bling.
Yeah.
That was really, really good. So well thought through.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, very, very, very cool. So thank you very much for that. Next one from Lee. Rai. Ndina ndawo yam yenza abantu babe ngamanzi neoli kuba iyathethisa into enayo phakathi.
Dinando ndawo yam.
Dina rai ndina ndawo yam, ndine ndawo yam, ndina ndawo yam yenza abantu babe ngamanzi neoli kuba iyathethisa into enayo phakathi. Black.
Ndawo yo momoloza. You joined.
What? You know this?
You joined for the.
Son.
Oh, legit crying now.
Blings, you guys need to do better. Vitality is as long as answer. The answer is groove. In ezindawo zabantu abatsha.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy I got it. Please read it again.
Dina ndawo yam eyenza abantu babe ngamanzi neoli kuba iyathethisa into enayo phakathi. Answer is groove.
Love it. Well done. Also, you Blings are so smart. Well done. But
That's
you did
so cool.
language. Yeah,
Very
yeah.
creative.
Very
Yeah,
creative.
very
Very
creative.
cool. Also, then you think you joined. Why wouldn't I think of a club?
Also in Donle. Wow, hectic. Ngumuntu wakudala manje.
Mbomboloza.
So kwathiwa ngoku. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Much appreciated. Yeah, that was massive fun. Yeah.
Yeah, that was massive fun. If you guys have ezinye rai and izidingayo, things that you make up in your own head, not things that you've read or heard of, please feel free to send them to us because this is such a fun way to just also be creative for
Correct.
yourself.
Correct.
But it's also really fun for us to get
100%. And I absolutely love the use of the language.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
love the use of the language. By
Yeah.
Rai. Zenziwa ngesiXhosa also. I think that's really, really cool.
100%.
Quick one. Ithini into ye, I had an experience today. When you're done looking confused. Is your phone attacking you? What's happening?
Yes.
Yeah, playing.
Oh, no, I got it.
So, I had an experience today where someone had sent me a message and they didn't send a message, they sent a text. Then I responded, but via voice notes, right? And then I was like, hi, thank you for your message. Please excuse the voice note. I'm driving. Yeah, bo? And I did that twice today and I noticed and I was just like, no, man. But on the very same voice note, I'm just like, no, man, but it's in etiquette here, voice note, nakona.
This is the thing.
Is there?
Yeah, I think you apologize because you know more often than not people don't like voice notes.
Don't they?
Yes.
No, the voice notes ezinde ezingastandiyo asinangxaki ne-voice note.
Yeah, but I don't think you should be excusing it. It's a form of communication and you're trying to get back to me as soon as possible instead of waiting for you to drive. So I shouldn't be sorry for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Happy.
And I could sort out your life issues.
Yeah, no, look, thanks. I'm feeling empowered.
Okay, so there was some one who had said to us in, I don't know, sometime last week, uba ucela sithethe nge-love bombing. Remember?
Sathi sacula.
Sacula.
Ijuli weyibhombo.
I forgot about that. So I was like, okay, we can talk about that, but then there's all these new terms ezingapheliyo that are in the relationship space mostly that sometimes you hear and you're just like, I have no idea what that is. So I was just like, okay, fine, let's just kind of go through what the words are and
Okay.
yeah, and what they actually mean.
Yo, asana songa relationships. That trend, that podcast. But ke siqale ngeChristianity namhlanje.
Chomi, uyaqonda,
Saza ngesiza kakhle.
I almost said Amarasta. That was in another episode.
Any of those any of those terms used
Oh no, Amarasta was here.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Sorry.
any of those terms used outside of relationships, friendships? Oh, they can be, I guess.
We'll find out.
Anything.
All right. So we'll start with.
You're testing mostly. You're not asking me what I think.
I want to know what your understanding of them is.
Okay, fair.
But we're learning together. Because
Sure.
now I'm going to be ngazazi. Masiqale nge-love bombing.
Love bombing. Kuthusa umuntu ngento othile uthando. Kuyibaxa to overwhelm somebody. So, umzekelo walonto leyo. I meet you. Hi, Thalita unjani, right? Sharp. Then ndiyakufuthanisela.
Okay.
Sending you texts all day, every day. Hi, uphi wenza ntoni? Oh, I miss you so much. Njalo njalo. You understand? Ndiyaqhuba ngapha mhlambi ngegift. Kufuthanisela umuntu ngento ngeattention.
Okay, for what purpose?
I think i-purpose is ezingafani because maybe one purpose is ufuna uba sure uba ukuwe lo mntu.
Okay.
I want to be the only person who's occupying your mind.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Gcwala ngam, ngigcwale ngawe. Number one.
That's a form of control.
Fair. Fair. In other instances.
Yes, sir.
Sobe and yes.
Okay, fine. So the what it means is when someone showers you with excessive attention and affection to manipulate or control you.
Whoa! Irongo, you love bombing. Oh, wow. Okay.
Irongo. Because ihambe iphele.
They shower you in order to
manipulate or control you.
Into what? Into doing what they want.
Yeah. So i-love bombing ayenzeki in the middle of a relationship. Yenzeki like up.
Okay.
So while you're still getting to know someone, but they're going, oh, when we get married, you know, our kids are going to be so cute. And all the things you've mentioned as well. But that's just like setting you up for thinking of me in the future.
Samenda
indawo yam in your future, right? To a point where I don't have to do those things anymore because ndakusamenda enough that uyazenzela.
Okay.
So that at any point, if I behave badly, it's hard for you to reconcile that with the actions that happened in the beginning.
That is dark. Question yam ET. Is it always intentional? Because, and the reason why I ask that is that a lot of these terms now, they have got bad rep, as if mastermind lo mntu who is doing it. And sometimes I'm like, is it possible to love bomb someone unintentionally? Simply because
we're excited.
When they're excited. You understand? And I don't want to lose you.
Yeah.
You understand? My previous experience could have been the fact that
I did too little.
And the nonchalant. Dabona ku TikTok bakuthi indoda mayibe talent bafazi. Gone magemnake, I'll take it to the top.
True, and you overcorrect.
I'll be the most talent person that you've ever met.
And overcorrection is a real thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I definitely suffer from that when it comes to a lot of things that I'm trying to change. Is that you'll come from the complete end of the spectrum that way. You first go completely that way, and then eventually you try and find a happy middle.
Yeah. I think it's possible that Umtu could be doing it without the full intent of manipulation and control. Yes.
Because it's not about you. It's about me. It's about that I feel more safe when I'm doing these things, because then it means, but now we're born and you're going to keep me around and you're not going to discard me like a chip piece.
Exactly. But that's manipulative. Because what if I want to discard you
Disguise.
Ah! Discoteca. Discoteca.
No. Yeah, that speaks to so many things. It also speaks to then ukuthi because lo muntu kulove bombayo ukwenza londo leyo in order for you to meet an expectation. Right? Expectation yam is that awuzondlahla because ndiyacontrola. You understand? Ndiyacontrola so awuzondlahla.
Yeah.
So expectation yam is kungalahlwa. Ukontroller then becomes the vehicle.
Yeah. Yes.
Yongalahlwa.
Yeah.
But innocent into engafuna ulahlwa though.
Yeah, but it depends on why ungafuna ulahlwa. Awufuna ulahlwa because uyazi ba uyi-nonsense yomntu and you're gonna be easily lahlwa if you just come as yourself.
Andifuna ulahlwa because ndikhule ndilahlwa.
That doesn't make you a great person.
My father walked out on us, or my mother walked out on us, and that's what's been happening in my relationships.
Yeah, but you can't put that on another person's child.
But I don't know I'm doing it.
Is the sin that you do unbeknownst to yourself less of a sin?
Facts. Is that a statement? Ooh. Hey.
Well,
Anogwetywa fonini uba ndenze into ndingayazi. But you have to be able to argue that you didn't know. This is the thing.
this is the
You
thing.
have to be able to prove uba bungayazi.
Yeah. And that's the thing. I mean, iyavakala into of not being wanting to be abandoned, obviously.
Yeah.
Because that's a deep wound. And it's not a wound that people necessarily carry consciously.
Yes.
So their actions are coming from a subconscious place as well.
Yes.
So it doesn't make it your fault, but
it is. It is.
Yeah, because you haven't looked into yourself deeply enough.
Yes.
And you haven't seen the patterns in your life, because obviously it does form a pattern eventually.
Ewe.
And so you haven't looked at those patterns and gone, "Utheni ndisenza so, okanye utheni ndilahla oko,
Yeah.
okanye utheni what. So you haven't done the work to make sure
Yes.
that you don't inflict.
There's an accountability piece that is missing there. A responsibility. Like, I need to be responsible not only for myself, but also for the world that I live in.
And being responsible for the way the actions of others have caused you to act is also a thing.
Ewe.
Yeah.
Because acting yakho is your responsibility. Bah! Hey!
Zicho.
Sana, yo,
much
I
is
know.
there?
No, guys.
There's a lot.
No, guys.
Yes.
Uba ngumntu.
It's not great.
I'd rather be a hermit.
Yala
poem. Ngumntu osivaleleyo uhlala yedwa ozijikele ekoneni. What a responsibility.
It really is, but that's the thing. We need to be responsible. And that's just taking responsibility for the way you show up in relationships. And that should be a responsibility we all carry.
Yeah.
Can we move on?
Zimale episode.
Let's go to gaslighting.
Phone gaslighter. You pretend.
Nonsense person, you.
Gaslighter is to make you feel like I'll go right up in loco. I don't know how to put that in English.
I'll put it in
Make you doubt yourself.
Mm.
Make you doubt your thoughts. Belittle you. Strip you of your self-confidence. All so that I can manipulate you. Because manipulate abantu.
People want to control other humans all the time. So it says manipulating someone, and you used all the right words, manipulating someone into doubting their own sanity or memory.
In order to gain
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't
the upper
say
hand of sorts.
100%, because why else would you be doing that? So if mnandite kuwe, if you say to me, oh no, oh, you know, when we were out at dinner and then when you said that, it made me feel so weird because it felt like you were attacking me. And then I say, attacking you? Why would I attack you in front of people? Aibo.
But kaloku mhlawumbe ngingakaziyeki though. What about ikwaito?
Yes, but I'm not making an example for that. I'm making an example for this.
Yeah, but maybe I wasn't though.
Yes, but I'm giving you an example of a possibility.
Or maybe I don't remember. You know what, ne?
Oh!
Yes, maybe I don't remember. No, but you said.
I remember saying that.
No.
So that's what gaslighting can look like, but that's also what memory loss can look like. Thin lines, zonke izinto.
Very thin lines.
Thin line, but also, so it's basically negating your experience of me.
Okay. E-condition, yeah, gaslighting, does it need to have a factual base?
Yeah, somewhat.
It needs to have facts.
Yes.
So what I'm saying is that, am I gaslighting you when you say to me, you did this and this is how it made me feel? And then I say, no, I did that, but that's not how I intended to make you feel.
That's fine. Your intention is fine. But what happened is it made me feel. Yes, you might not have intended that, but I felt that. So don't negate my feelings.
Okay.
Just
okay.
because of your
I
intention.
can't say no, you don't feel like that.
Yes, because I do.
Yeah, in a responsibility because nalomdu gaslightwayo urresponsible ba makathethe inyani angazi ngobu victim naye oburongo.
Because other people like
I
to
blow
play
up.
the victim
Yes.
card. Yeah. Just so that you always feel indebted to me somehow. Ba solo mosha wena. And I must keep reminding you mosha njani. And sometimes I bend the truth a little bit.
Because that's going to change my behavior towards you.
That's another manipulative way, being a victim.
Inali linye igama layo le nto leyo nayo.
Yeah, inali linye igama.
Heavy. Oh, bro, all of these things, there's so much responsibility on everybody.
On everyone involved.
Because no, nalula bomb wayo, makanande.
Kunzima unqanda love bomb.
That's okay, imandi.
Yeah.
But you are responsible to nqanda.
Yeah. Because you can't complain at the end
No,
where
so
we go nile at the
Ngathi
beginning.
uzengesantya ewe. Because uzawuthi ba, no, I meant love bomb. No. Now uzengesantya.
We're
gonna find a name for that.
Okay, wayibona phi le nto ibisenzwa kuwe.
Gee.
But that's the thing. We also want to live in a fairy tale where it's like,
Woo! Wow!
Where it's like, oh, he loved me from the beginning. He knew I was the one. We started talking about our kids' names in week 2 of our relationship. And hope that works out eventually. Because you want to live
Because now, man, you were hanging on to those things.
Because ibandi.
Edichilo. Ndinozothando azikho exciting azimelwanga all these things
100% the whole
what
time.
a huge response. Yes, awuthandana kudala mos.
Okay, this one is easy. Ghosting.
Come on for me.
Why can't you just be yourself sometimes? Why do you have to be someone else first?
I am myself. This is me.
Yeah.
Ghosting is ignoring somebody out of the blue.
Without an explanation.
Without explaining to them.
Why?
You're not going to explain it Latina. Without explaining to them.
Yeah. So suddenly cutting off all communication without explanation.
When Uncle Tops. Block on all platforms. Download Twitter when the band is follow it block and crazy. But
petty. I mean, ghosting is something that's existed for years.
Just like all of these things have existed for years.
Without having names. Because what were we calling ghosting before?
Yeah. Ignoring someone, blocking them. We didn't say ghosting.
No, we never said ghosting. Yeah, but that's also one of the worst things you can do to someone. I still believe.
But don't abanye abantu abadeserve ghost. What's that about?
I'm trying.
How many people do you have
I'm
on
trying
your
not to be too excited with my yes.
Kavulu WhatsApp wakho. Ndifuna check i-blog list yakho. And see how many of those people you've explained to. Uba mchana.
None of them. Because there's nonsense.
So
But I didn't ghost. We weren't in a relationship and I ghosted you. You decided, but you wanted to text nonsense all the time, and I was like,
kaloku, don't you have a responsibility of saying to that person?
As a sane human being, you think that it's okay to harass me with texts all the
I don't
time?
think I'm harassing you though.
Oh, I'm
Baby.
Excuse me.
Hmm?
Sorry.
Panine, I love you.
Where did this love come from?
Hmm?
Also, you can't be in love by yourself.
What do you mean?
You got you.
Have you seen yourself?
But you don't.
You're
love
so
me.
beautiful.
You don't know me.
I'll get to know you.
Oh, dog.
I accept you as you are.
There's no way.
All I'm saying.
Zikhona moments that deserve
Wow.
blocking, bro.
What is the thumb rule?
If you're harassing me, I can ghost you.
If I'm harassing you according to who?
According to me, who are you harassing? Me.
What happens if your graph for harassment is you've got a low tolerance?
Yeah, well then you're not my kind of person because the tolerance I'm low. So you'll never know when you're harassing me. So I'll always be harassed.
Collect, but you're wrong.
Mna?
Yeah.
About feeling harassed. But I feel harassed. How am I wrong?
Funny, come on, who feel harassed? Go hi.
But it's
That's just what I'm trying to bring up.
My feelings.
I went right when
My feelings are there.
you are within your full right of feelings. Like nobody feelings like was 10 inches taking happy. And yabuza. Ba uthe wenza uthi mina nanjani?
Okay,
Nje nanjani?
Okay.
Yo. Okay.
Right. So
That's difficult.
no, that's very hard.
That's difficult. Yo.
So those were
Yeah,
toxic
bruh.
relationship
All
terms.
of these things are so
I know. There's
thin,
no right way. There's no wrong. There's no
thin.
right way.
ways.
Because you don't know about ntweni.
Hey, and maybe you damaged.
Yeah, exactly. And maybe I'm just too sensitive.
I'm not gonna say that.
Maybe I'm too sensitive and Yongindo perturbs me.
Maybe we hurt. Maybe you need to heal.
Mm.
Oh, tricky talk. That's not fair. It's too tricky. It's way too tricky. It's too grey. It's way too grey.
Yeah, for sure. But in a grey space, there are darker greys than others. Do you know what I mean?
But then that leaves us in a place whereby I'm not being helped because then there's no thumb rule, then there's no guidance.
Yeah.
If the guidance is how it depends on how do you feel.
Yeah, but I think the worst thing is that we're literally depending on other humans' intentions. That's what everything depends on. So I'm gonna trust that you have good intent. You might say something wrong, it might hurt me, but your intention was good. So I have to trust that your intention is always good, no matter how many times you hurt me or how many times I feel wronged by you.
If ungumntu that I'm close to and imthandayo.
Yeah, I'm close in Mthandayo. Exactly. So now I trust you, and I trust that you would hold my emotions to,
A high standard.
So you're never gonna
consideration.
try and always be pressing me for me to blow up or whatever. And so I have to trust that as a human being, which is the scary part, I think.
Yeah. Because gay people can be irresponsible with that trust.
Oh.
They often are.
Yeah. Right. So those were toxic relationship terms.
Shocking.
So because of the time, you can pick between casual relationships. Oh, let's not do casual relationship terms.
Don't casual relationship.
Well, situationship. So.
Okay. Wow, there's terms.
Yes.
We might need a part 2 here.
Oh,
no.
okay, fine. So let's do the casuals and then we can do the others at a part 2.
The others, Zindon.
Then it's
interest rate.
online relationship terms
Heavy days. Okay. I like that.
and other relationship terms like other.
The others, it's usually Nabandaba. Which kind of people fall into that category?
All of us.
Okay. All right. Let's do casual then.
All right.
Then we'll do the other 2
Okay, sharp.
on another day.
Situationship.
Casual.
Mm-hmm.
Situationship.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the question.
Yes.
What is a situationship?
Yes.
It's a it's an undefined
Mm.
relationship which is not platonic.
Okay. That's a good one. A casual relationship without clear boundaries or commitment.
Yes.
Mm.
But that has also got a sexual side.
Yes. By
It
relationship.
looks like a relationship.
Yes, it looks like a relationship. It presents as a relationship.
However, it does not possess the commitment part of it.
Yeah. Which is the important part of relationship. So what are
Which
we
is
doing?
one of the
What
things.
are we doing?
Yeah, which is why it then doesn't fall into a relationship.
Yeah.
It falls into a convenience.
Yeah. You see, situation, in your situation, in the situation we are at right now.
Correct.
Mm.
So, and that can happen between people that are both single.
Mm-hmm. Or not.
It can only a situationship only happens between people that are not single.
What about someone who's single and someone in a relationship?
Nyabana kaloku.
What's that in English? Uyi-one umuntu obiwayo pha, and it's not the single person. So you can't be in a situationship with someone in a relationship if you're single.
No,
Okay. Because that's a different term.
that's a different
You
term.
are cheating. You are in it. Yeah.
Extracurricular.
You're a side chick.
Yeah, in an extra curricular.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, so it's only for people that
Are both single.
yes.
But one person is getting more in that situation than the other. Because there will always be the one person who feels wronged or who feels like
Akanyansekanga ke lo. Because because
I know, I'm fine.
kuvunyelwene kodwa yazazi ba yena uncwasile yena une underlying
But they're
things
hoping that just by being here,
which is wrong.
yeah.
No, it's wrong londo leyo.
Mm.
Because then you don't agree if you are going to then ujike.
Mm.
If situationship wazi wena
Well, maybe at
uyandithanda
the time
you want to be with me
Wait,
uyafana nochitileyo.
no, but at the time when I agreed, I was fine with it. And then and I was like, oh wait, I've actually got feelings now.
Yeah.
But now I can't come and tell you that because I'd agreed, because our agreement says
Yeah, but you broke the agreement so funeka ufike uthi anizokwazi.
you have to leave.
Anizokwazi anymore.
Because ndiyakufuna ukumanyana. Not for fake.
I've decided that I want to commit.
Yes. To you, non-committal human being.
Yes.
Yeah.
But then is that different from a talking stage?
Yes.
Why?
Because the talking stage doesn't present as a relationship.
I mean, it does. It does. We go out on dates. We talk a lot. We text each other back and forth. We chat. We go out on dates.
We're getting to know each other. It's deeper than that. It's a situationship. I don't need to know your favorite. I don't need to know anything about you.
Okay. So the talking stage is
It's
you are
intentional.
getting to know each other with the
Yes.
intention of
Yes.
dating.
Yes.
The talking stage. like.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's move on. Benching.
Benching.
Mm-hmm.
Cole Palmer. Old Cole Palmer. Benching is when you put someone not putting them on, You're putting them off as a result of seeing something better come up. So using someone as a spare in case things don't work out, umbhentsile. Umbeke ecaleni.
Ever ready wakho.
Yes,
Darling.
yes.
When someone keeps
Break
you
glass in case of emergency.
exactly. When someone keeps you as an option without committing to a
Yes,
relationship.
option.
Yeah.
Yes. And then umane kusithiwa womisha. Gala. Then don't get us expect
It's been 90 minutes. It's been 90 minutes of this game. We've played 5 minutes of extra time. Kuthiwa womisha.
Then go xa ungena kufuneka uscore ke ngoku because late you must perform to a very high standard.
That's sad as hell.
But nombhenjwa has got a responsibility.
100% because uhamba uzazi ba ubhenjiwe. Maybe you might not know it at the beginning, but there comes a point where you're like, oh wait.
Ndiyabhenjwa man.
Ndiyabhenjwa because umane umbona abanye abantu bedlala.
Kodwa bekuthiwa imatch iphelile. Jabu abakori man kubusy.
Yes, Daftis.
Yeah, sure. Man, you're right, guys.
Senzana kakhulu, there's a lot.
Yeah, I hate the fact, but I also love the fact that everyone is responsible.
Exactly.
All part. Kuzo
The
zonke
one
into
who is
besizithetha
wrong, the
ngam.
one who is doing
Correct.
the wrong,
Yes.
you're responsible, bro.
Wonke umuntu.
Vula amehlo akho.
Yeah, ukuhlala uvelt yo. Yeah, lonke
Last
ixesha.
one.
Yeah.
Breadcrumbing.
Breadcrumbing, simply put, to lead on, is to when yintoni ke yenziwa ngabantu abatheni abathanda i-attention. When I'm gonna text you, hey Talita, no, and then uphendule wena, then ndipholelwe ngamalanga.
Sending mixed signals or providing just enough attention to keep someone interested.
For what?
For manipulation and control, buddy.
Guys, yonke into manipulation and control.
Because
Sometimes ngumuntu ongahoyanga. Hey, attention span yam nje. A lot of things can happen. Busy. Yeah, busy.
Oh, I go go. Okay, so what are you saying?
I'm saying it's easy for someone who is a love bomber to think they are being breadcrumbed. And we can get confused.
I say, if someone wants to, they will. And you have to believe that with all your heart as the person on the other end.
Or the busy.
You can't, then you don't want to.
Because fish.
People make time for things that they want.
Fish.
All the time.
My darling, I want to sleep. But sometimes I don't because I've got too many other things to do.
Then why are you?
I want to eat
Why
healthy.
are you involving yourself in a situation the way you could be wrong? You could.
Because I think I can initially. Hi, cap the better and the better him wanting to. The better I cap acid.
Show me. You make time for it. That's all I'm saying. And you have to believe that someone who wants to will. You have to believe that. And because you don't have capacity might not mean that you don't want to, but you can't.
Sure.
Fine. So leave me alone.
Banda kufuna kaloku nje.
Ufuna kancinci nawe.
Falini, ndixakekile kukho izinto that are standing in my way.
Yeah, but then where does that leave me? Waiting for you to ease up. Where does that leave me? I hear you, and that's fine. But what about me?
Ewe. Hayi andali. Into endiyazi yona nendilwayo. Kuba ngoku kuzawuthi ndiyakubreadcrumb kanti I just don't have capacity.
Teta yicho.
But I don't have capacity.
Yes.
Then you're gonna come to me and tell me, but no, shift your priorities around. No.
And if I ufuna uyenza lento ozuyenza, then I can leave. Into ngafuna ukushiywa.
Nangayifuniyo funa ukuquit this job yam because vele focus kuwe.
No one's saying quit your job.
Into
dog.
endingayifuniyo mna is not to be able to focus on my training for comrades. Into endingayifuniyo mna is not to be able to attend to my commitments zenkonzo. Into endingayifuniyo mna is to not be there for uTalita and the podcast. Into endingayifuniyo mna, you understand?
Then don't put yourself in a position to hurt someone else because you want to take care of yourself.
But kaloku I'm doing also these things so that I can maybe it will help me take care of you also.
When?
Oh.
Oh. No, mate. Do not put yourself in that position, bruh. Oh, yes, my commitments zakho zi. Go one after the other. Why are you putting yourself in that position? Because you're not only putting yourself in that position, you're putting me in that position too.
Yes, but it can be innocent, Londoleo.
That's fine. But then, like, when I come to you and I go, I feel like you're breadcrumbing me.
Sure.
Okay. And then
breadcrumb.
Then it's on me to then decide
Facts.
whether I'm sticking with this,
equal responsibility.
whether I'm sticking with this or not,
Yep.
right? But I also don't know if you're telling the truth. That's another thing. You hope
Whoa!
we'll be living
There we go.
Exactly, because I see you posting on your status about playing golf with the Chinas on Sunday.
Oh yeah, but there's a
well,
deal. Enzima, pa.
Okay. PlayStation all weekend. Oh. Busy with
funny.
PlayStation.
I'm distressing.
Okay, fine. So you don't have time for this. What are you doing here? Breadcrumbing me is what you're doing.
Shh, Talita. Hey. Okay.
And that's ends part one.
I don't agree, but okay. All right, it's fine. Okay. No, I get it. Now I'm just, I think the only thing I'm just like responsibility for everybody.
100%, and that comes with honesty, and people are just not honest about where they are
big
in life.
facts.
Yeah.
Big facts.
Yeah. Because ultimately, if we as about busy, then you're busy engaging with some poor girl who's obviously like in it to win it. There's something you're getting from that interaction.
Stress.
For the interaction with
Yes.
you're getting stress.
Yes.
No, I'm just saying, like, there's something positive you're getting out of this interaction, and she's not having a good time.
Or something positive that I'm hoping to get. But you're not having a good time, so I'll never get it. So it's out, so it will.
Yeah. Let's chat about it, bro. Honestly.
Let's chat about it without those words.
Which ones? Breadcrumbing?
No love bombing. No. Because immediately you start a conversation with
Then
someone
I'm
and somewhere,
defensive.
dog, I feel like you love bombing me.
Then
Oh,
I'm
man.
like, oh, love me.
No good story ever started with love bombing.
Or a salad.
Wow, sobering.
Well, and there it is. Difficult is much better than regret. And facts on this too.
Oh.
So rather have that difficult conversation than regret it when someone's blocked you and is telling everyone that they can. But who asana love bomba of notes signer. The difficult conversation is way more worth it.
Within umanulebishilo abanye bathi awuphilanga, abanye bathi ukhohlakele. Only to find out that a large percentage of the time it's misunderstanding, misinterpretation.
100%. Especially to a new person, you know. When you've just met someone, it's so easy to misinterpret them completely.
As we heard in last week's episode.
Of what?
Our sibling rivalry. Don't worry. You'll get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. Bazalwane, thank you so much for joining us.
Don't forget to love each
each other.
other.